clear, create a blend, and for the blend I need to create snow, right? So assign this material to this. We're getting some specularity, and go to 3D textures. Go to 3D textures. We got a snow, so I'm going to create the snow, and middle click and drop into the blend, connect as color. So what this will do is, if I render this, so what is happening, wherever the peak areas, that area there will be a snow. This area we're not getting any snow. Like, fine, if you want to adjust, you can adjust the 3D placement, it doesn't matter. And I'll make a IPR render. Just IPR render, and I'll pick this area. Open the snow texture, and I'll show you how this works. Threshold means how much you need the surface snow, or how much you need a normal surface. And we have a depth decay. This is for depth in the snow, so I need to increase, I need to make a little bit bright snow, just increase this depth decay. And wherever the red color area, I need to create a rock texture. So I'm going to close this, go to hypershade. Alright, I'll enlarge this work area by clicking this button, so that I'll get lots of room to work. Rearrange, press A on the keyboard. Okay, so for this red color area I'm going to create a rock surface. Already we have a snow, so stucco. This time I'm going to mix two texture. I'll show you. Create this, connect this into middle click and drop into surface color. Okay, see that? And this stucco have two different channels. Both channel I'm going to create a rock. Already I have a texture. Create two texture. I'm going to mix. Open this browse. So I have already texture. Second one. Okay, so I'm going to increase the repeat, make 10 for both. Middle click, connect it to channel 1, and the channel 2 will get a mix. And this place 3D, I can increase it slightly. Okay, now see how this looks. Let's do a render. See that area, it's getting stretched. That is not a problem, so we can keep that stretch. Alright, now I'm going to create a bump map. First, this whole information I want to convert into luminance. So go to color utilities, which is in here, create a luminance node, and take this take this snow itself, snow, middle click, drag into the luminance, connect as value, and this luminance we can connect as bump map, and I will reduce this 0.1. I don't want too much. Now you can see the rock getting some specularity. Of course we need to reduce the specular So open the blend material. I'll reduce this slightly, not much, because I need to, so this is wet, and reduce the reflectivity. I don't want anymore. Alright. Next, so I'm going to put water inside, so I can create a plane. Just create a NURBS plane, just scale it and move this up. You can see the water is coming. So I can keep the camera angle like that. For this plane, I'm going to create ocean shader. But I can keep the camera over here. Select the camera. I can lock it. I can do select the camera, press S on the keyboard, just rewind, press S, so that the camera will be locked. See now, if I move the camera and hit rewind button, go back to that view, that view will be locked. So that is nice. And right click, assign new material. Again I'm going to assign a ocean shader for this. Okay, if I rewind and hit render and see, this looks okay. This scene looks very simple and there is no depth, so I need to create a reflection for this water. So for that, create an NURBS sphere and scale this up big. Right click, select isoform, just select the middle one, go to NURBS, surfaces, edit NURBS, detach surface, delete the bottom one. A very important thing, select this NURBS sphere, go to shape node, go to render state, switch off cast and receive shadow, and double, switch off and make it opposite, so that I can see inside. Looking fine. And for this sphere, right click, assign new material. I'm going to assign a surface shader. Same thing, because surface shader will ignore the light, so we can able to see the background clearly even if you have any lights inside the scene. Okay, click on the out color, just click, create a file texture and browse, and I have a sky. This I downloaded in Google Images. Just open. Now if we are not able to see the sky clearly, you have to select this sphere, go to surface shader, go to hardware texturing and make this out color. Okay, it needs to be rotate, so click this output and you get that 2D placement. Rotate 90 degree. That's it. That is what I want. Just move this down a little bit. I don't want to show you the. Okay. And select the camera set key. So now for this water ocean shader, very simple. I'm going to reduce this maximum minimum length 0.02 or 0.3. So we need a very small tiny waves, and wave height 0.05. Okay, then I'm not going to worry about all other options. Go to common material attribute and increase the transparency slightly, not much, so that you can able to show the depth. Okay, because otherwise it looks very sharp, this edge. So that's what I am doing. So increase the transparency a little bit, refractive index 1.33, and so go to specular shading, open up, and first increase the specularity, and we need a lot of reflectivity, and close this all environment button here and make it completely black, then only you'll get a nice reflection. And I want to change the color of the water because it looks green. I'll make blues because it's in ice snow area. So okay, then go to final, go to ray trace option, enable refraction, and we have to enable ray tracing quality. If you are working with reflection, you can better go with mental ray. So I'll change it to mental ray quality. I'll make it production. Mental ray already have a ray tracing. Now let me show you how this will look. So we got a nice sky background and snow, some rocks, and we got a nice water. Very simple, right? Still I need to reduce this wave height. Now you can be able to see the depth nicely. You can able to see here. That's nice. So I got something. Close this.